Check out this 2012 Buick Regal GS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include heated front seat, power passenger seat, cruise control, power windows, engine immobilizer, adjustable steering wheel, leather seats, driver adjustable lumbar, and traction control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.